A refined centerpiece with surprising versatility, this multifunctional coffee table isn't just furniture, it's an experience in everyday convenience. Designed to serve more than one purpose, it transforms effortlessly from a classic table into a smart work or dining surface. Thanks to its smooth lift-top design, you get a flexible platform that adapts to your rhythm, whether you're powering through work emails or enjoying takeout on the couch. Measuring in at an ideal living room scale, it combines elegance with efficiency. Elevate your workspace with the Flex Stand Pro, a versatile monitor stand designed to enhance both play and work environments. Featuring an ergonomic design, it offers effortless electric height adjustment, allowing you to tailor your setup for optimal comfort and posture. The built-in ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for both focused work and immersive gaming sessions. Equipped with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 expansion ports, this stand keeps all your devices connected and organized. Take your two-wheeled adventures to new heights with the Beeline Moto 2. Designed to slip effortlessly into any ride, this compact GPS transforms your journeys by keeping the path ahead simple and crystal clear. Whether it's a 5-mile commute, a 60-mile scenic cruise, or a cross-country expedition, the Moto 2 keeps you locked onto the road with confidence and ease. Ride planning becomes second nature with this intuitive device. In just a few taps, choose the route that suits your spirit. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Mufi offers a unique and innovative way to craft essential oils and infused oils at home, making DIY projects simpler and more accessible. This advanced device lets you effortlessly extract essential oils using flowers, spices, and water. With a single press of a button, you can start your oil-making process and let the device handle the rest. The Smart Machine's core technology utilizes precise temperature control and a built-in circulating coil system that ensures optimal extraction of flavors and essences. The OBSBot Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. Unlock seamless control with the cutting-edge CL-VX1, a next-gen keyboard engineered for precision, speed, and adaptability. Built for the modern workflow, it fuses mechanical typing with intuitive gesture navigation. No more toggling between devices or modes. With smart, integrated tech, your fingers never need to leave the keyboard. The CL-VX1 lets you work faster, cleaner, and smarter. When seasonal shifts bring stifling heat or stagnant air, the Telzette Circulator rises to the occasion. Engineered with a jet engine-inspired design, this powerhouse circulator blends aerodynamic form with dual BLDC fans to deliver unmatched air propulsion. From bedrooms to living rooms, and even spacious garages, it throws out a concentrated airflow that travels up to 65 feet, effortlessly refreshing large areas with precision. The dual fan system doesn't just cool, it purifies. Breezeare offers an innovative approach to hair care and styling with its multi-purpose portable design. This sleek and practical device provides the flexibility of natural wind drying, which reduces heat damage to your hair while maintaining moisture. Equipped with 4 powerful fans, it ensures rapid drying, making it an ideal tool for those on the go. Its UVC LED function not only enhances the drying process, but also works as a sanitizer, helping to maintain cleaner, healthier hair. In the fast-paced world of remote work, small devices can make a big difference. Meet Boop, a minimalistic 3-button controller designed specifically to give you quick access to your mic, camera, and screen share in virtual meetings. With Boop, fumbling with on-screen icons or shortcut keys is a thing of the past. Each button is tactile, intuitive, and dedicated. One press mutes or unmutes your mic, another toggles your camera, and the last handles screen sharing. No distractions, just direct control. The COR pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel-size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. No more waiting on clunky dispensers or wasting space with bulky filters. This compact, efficient system redefines what clean water access looks like. The Water Drop, a 1RO countertop water dispenser, is more than just a filter. It's a smart hydration hub built for modern homes. Certified lead-free under NSF ANSI 372 and verified by SGS testing labs, it ensures your water is not only safe, but exceptionally pure. Fast, efficient, and portable, the Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator is designed to provide rapid inflation for a variety of vehicles, including MPVs, cars, e-bikes, and motorcycles. With a powerful 150 psi capacity, it ensures that tires are inflated quickly, often in just 1 minute, making it ideal for roadside emergencies or regular maintenance. The compact, cordless design allows for easy use without the hassle of tangled cords or searching for power outlets. No hands, no problem. Miniso Puru's AirGlide touchless gesture control stand redefines how you interact with your iPhone or iPad. From across your desk or kitchen counter, simply wave to swipe, scroll, or play. Perfect for hands-busy multitaskers, it responds instantly to your gestures so you stay focused whether you're cooking, studying, or presenting. Crafted for stability and precision, this sleek, adjustable stand supports most iPhone and iPad models up to 11 inches. Night after night, your bed becomes more than rest. It's the place where calm returns, where energy gathers, and where the tone of tomorrow is quietly shaped. That kind of daily reset deserves fabric designed to match the rhythm of real life. Strong, breathable, smooth, and built to last. These sheets trace their story to the heart of Egypt, where cotton is still handpicked to preserve its natural integrity. The Key Unity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip is a practical, compact solution for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Its titanium construction ensures both strength and lightweight portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The 7-in-1 functionality includes a flashlight, which is bright enough for nighttime navigation, along with a bottle opener, screwdriver, and knife blade. The Galaxy X Cover 7 Pro offers a robust balance of durability and performance, designed for users who demand a rugged device that can withstand tough environments. It features IP68 dust and water resistance, allowing it to withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 35 minutes. Additionally, it's drop-tested to survive falls from up to 1.5 meters, adhering to MIL STD 810H standards, though these don't guarantee survival in extreme conditions. Blistering heat doesn't belong in your tent, RV, or tiny cabin. That's where the EcoFlow wave steps in, built to dominate the elements with 4,000 BTUs of efficient, fast cooling. Whether you're parked in the desert or camped deep in the woods, this portable air conditioner changes the game with extended run times and intelligent control. With the optional 1008 WH add-on battery, you can power the wave for up to 8 hours on eco mode, making it a go-to solution for off-grid cooling. The Vista portable hammock and stand offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for outdoor relaxation. Designed for those who value both portability and ease of setup, this hammock comes with a lightweight, easy-to-assemble frame that ensures a hassle-free experience wherever you go. Ideal for camping trips, beach days, or backyard lounging, its compact carrying bag allows for easy transportation and storage. Campfires fade, trails grow dark, but Mosy Guard keeps the comfort alive. Designed for wilderness explorers and backyard loungers alike, this ultimate outdoor mosquito repeller brings modern defense into natural settings. At its core, MCH ceramic rapid heating technology delivers fast-acting, mosquito-repelling heat, giving you control in seconds. With a 10,000 mAh battery powering up to 20 hours of heating, Mosy Guard outlasts your longest nights under the stars. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. Introducing the Bakaco Keyboard, an innovative solution that revolutionizes the way you think about productivity. This device merges the functionality of a keyboard with the power of a PC, offering seamless performance with a built-in Windows 11 operating system. With its 12.3-inch touchscreen display, the Bakaco provides a compact yet full-fledged computing experience. Whether you're working on documents, browsing the web, or handling creative tasks, this versatile keyboard offers everything you need for multitasking. The Aerospring Pinch is an innovative and versatile system designed to elevate both outdoor and indoor gardening. This high-yield solution offers an efficient growing experience with minimal effort. Engineered for modularity, it allows users to customize the setup according to their space and needs, offering 4 distinct configurations to choose from. Whether you're looking to optimize a small urban space or expand into a larger area, the flexibility of the Aerospring Pinch ensures that your garden thrives. The experience of typing on glass has long been the standard, but Clicks transforms your iPhone into a tool of precision. Designed for those who write, message, and multitask constantly, Clicks brings physical control back to your hands without sacrificing screen space. No more toggling between keyboard and content. With 50% more usable display, you can work, play, or browse uninterrupted. Clicks are built with intention. The brushed metal side keys feel responsive and premium. A soft microfiber lining protects your device from the inside. Stay active without sacrificing your time or comfort. The Cursor Fitness Under-desk elliptical machine transforms passive sitting into low-impact motion, seamlessly fitting beneath desks and in front of chairs for convenient daily movement. Whether you're clocking hours at your computer, enjoying a book, or watching TV, this compact elliptical helps burn calories, ease joint stiffness, and strengthen muscles, all without leaving your seat. The Chargeek Retro 67 watts blends classic design with modern technology, offering a stylish yet powerful charging solution. With a maximum output of 67 watts, it ensures quick charging for a variety of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets. The real-time power display provides users with an immediate and accurate visual of the current power usage, making it easier to manage charging tasks efficiently. Reev coin storage offers a sleek and innovative way to manage your coin collection. With the ability to hold between 250 and 350 coins, it is designed to efficiently organize your change, keeping it neat and accessible. The magnetized floating lid eliminates the hassle of traditional coin storage. Simply flick the lid and it opens effortlessly, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience every time. This unique mechanism adds a touch of fun to functionality, ensuring you can access your coins with ease. Set your desk in motion with a precision-crafted Kinetic fingertip flip skill toy built to mesmerize. Designed to flip, roll, and fall with a natural rhythm, this skill toy invites repeated interaction through effortless balance and unexpected movement. Compact and smooth, at just over 2 inches long, it fits perfectly in your hand or pocket, ready to engage your focus whenever the need strikes. The Kinetic fingertip flip skill toy is more than just a visual trick. It's a desk companion that relieves tension, sparks creativity, and trains dexterity. For outdoor enthusiasts, comfort on the trail is paramount. After a long day of adventure, the last thing you want is to lose sleep on an uncomfortable setup. Unfortunately, many camping solutions often come with trade-offs in either weight or comfort, leaving backpackers with a frustrating dilemma. The Haven Spectre changes that. It offers a sleep experience that balances comfort with weight savings, giving backpackers a lightweight yet cozy option. The Ruvati Dual Tier Pro 33-inch rounded corner workstation sink is an exceptional addition to modern kitchens, combining practicality with sleek design. This two-tiered undermount sink is crafted from 16-gauge stainless steel, providing superior durability and resistance to wear. Its rounded corners add a sophisticated touch, allowing for easy cleaning while maintaining a refined look. The dual-tier system enhances functionality by offering versatile spaces for both preparation and cleaning, ensuring an organized workflow. The Orvibo MixPad D1 Smart Dimmer Switch revolutionizes how you manage lighting in your home, combining modern technology with seamless integration. This wall-mounted dimmer is crafted from durable plastic, offering a sleek design that fits in any modern interior. With compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant, it ensures convenient voice control over your lighting, allowing dimming from 0% to 100%. The Alpaca Vertex pouch is a versatile and practical solution for those looking for an organized, sleek, and weather-resistant accessory. Designed with the modern traveler and daily commuter in mind, this men's sling bag combines functionality with style. The bag features 3